Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here. In this video, I'm taking you behind the scenes of fashion photo shoot here in a natural light studio. Before we get into it, I want to thank Squarespace for making this free photography video possible. As a photographer, you also play the role of stylist, location scout, customer service rep, accountant, and snack provider. And you need a website that's just like you, can do it all. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one website platform for photographers. It's more than just a website platform. You can schedule and accept your photo shoot bookings, sell digital products like PDF guides or physical products like art prints, host your domain and custom email, create email lists, and present your work through public or password-protected galleries. If you're a photographer operating during late morning hours, rest assured that Squarespace has you covered. You can quickly troubleshoot any challenges with their round-the-clock live chat and comprehensive help library and 24/7 customer service. A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a seamless client experience on your website is how you can book those $1,000 clients. Build and launch your new website in just a weekend, but if you need more time, you can give Squarespace a 14-day free trial. And when you're ready to launch your beautiful new site, head to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker for 10% off your first purchase of a new website or a domain. Beautiful, oh my goodness. Maybe I'll have you can I have you bring like one of your knees up so then you can like rest maybe your hand on it and then it'll be super close and we just get a little, yeah, beautiful. Okay, lift your chin up just ever so slightly, gorgeous. I'm gonna scoot back a tiny bit for this. Okay, let me show you how the light is looking. So you can see how it's like, stunning. So maybe rotate your face either like, not like to the side, but like dramatic, so then it really hits like your cheekbones. Okay. So gorgeous. Yes, either way works, just as long as it's dramatic. If you feel like you need to go to the chiropractor later, that means you got it. Beautiful. Oh yes, perfect. Stunning. Oh my gosh, love. That was everything. Gorgeous. Stunning. What if we do, I'll have you swing around here and then kind of get on your knees and then pop your hands up on the thing and then we'll do some close-ups where you just get like the feathers with your eyes. Oh, love this. This color on you is so amazing. Facing, tell me if it's too bright though, and I'm gonna try to just get like a really close up and this like really even lighting. Oh, I'm not okay. I'm not okay. She's volunteering to the community. She's giving. Yes, my volunteer hours for school. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna have you turn your shoulders a little bit. Yep, beautiful, just so I can get you fully in the frame on this. Oh my goodness. Stunning. Oh my goodness. Oh. Are you serious? Stunning. You are so talented. Like, when every shot is a new pose. Let's do a few more, and I'm gonna have you that same kind of close-up, but I'll probably have you stand, and then I'll get your full shoulders in it. Yeah. So then we have lots of options for cropping. Stunning. Oh, I can't. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Stunning. So let's do, it's like 10 degrees colder over here. Let's do our next look. So since you have the oil on, let's do one of the sleeveless dresses probably. Like, I guess we could do the green. What do you think? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see how. Okay, I'm gonna have you move down just a hair just because we have the, like, I was looking for outlets all over the place and they're all here. Are you serious? You are so stunning. So you can see how the shadow on the face, so maybe keep your face nice and high for him. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. Oh. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Tilt your face ever so slightly. Yep, gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna do some full body. It's kind of wrinkled, so maybe, you know what, I'm gonna do from like a knee up, so maybe if you even wanna like kind of hold it a little bit, yeah, and use the split. Oh, she
understood the assignment.
She's here and she's ready. I can't. I kind of even like it with, are you okay with just your feet? Is that okay? I think it looks really stunning. Like, no, this is so beautiful. Oh, okay, I'm gonna scoot. Sorry, Annie, I like keep coming in your way, sorry. Oh my goodness. It's giving Irish goddess. Saint Pain, like, oh, when she does a little look down at this, I can't, I just can't. It's giving leg, it's giving arm, it's giving head, it's giving ear, yes. What if I have you lean against, I might actually have you come right in front of this outlet to cover it. Lean, like even back fully or just with your elbows. I mean, I just can't help but show you how beautiful you are. This light.
Oh, that's stunning.
Oh my goodness. I can't. Claire will bring peace to our country. Yes. She's what the country needs to unite. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Even if it's just like a month by month while you kind of decide what neighborhood you like and stuff, it's not the best.
It's hard to connect, like.
Beautiful. We have, this is our third look, I think, and it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. Okay, and when you guys, Claire, turn around so they can see, she did what she needed to do, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love the fringe on it, it's super cute. Okay, so I'll probably have you stand like in this little corner, and then we'll get a little bit of the white, a little bit of the window. I live, I love, I laugh. As Home Goods would say. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Oh. I'm not okay, right?
That's insane.
Your eyes, the brows, like I can't. So stunning. Oh my word. Beautiful. Gorgeous. If you want to take your heels off, if that would make it more comfortable, definitely go for it. I'm going to switch my lens. Beautiful. Oh, yes. Okay, so just like that, I'm going to do even closer up, just like, yeah, beautiful.
Thank you. Oh my God, these are insane.
I can't. My favorites. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, who's rich auntie
These.
is that?
Oh. Genius.
I love.
Genius of you. Biting the glove, so freaking cute. Oh my gosh.
Oh, insane.
I love when you go like this. Little bit of, she's serving. Okay, let's do our last look. Look back at them. Oh, I can't. Oh my goodness. Okay, gorgeous. The leg. Gorgeous. Oh my word. The sleeves. When she grabs the sleeve. Okay, creative genius. Bring your hand just ever so slightly closer just so I can get fully in the frame. Beautiful. Oh my word. Yes. I can't, like, another day's work. Am I right?
My God, yes.
You're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Grabbing the straps, so cute. So beautiful. Like, are you kidding me? Does it have a little cut? Oh, it does, yeah. It's so, oh.
Okay. This
I
silhouette
can't.
is
Yeah, this
actually
is
insane.
like
Even
meant
though the
for
fabric
you.
is cheap, it really does make up for the silhouette.
Yeah, yes. You look stunning. I think we're perfect. These are so cute.
Oh my
so
God,
cute.
this is amazing.
You did so amazing.
Thank you.
You're so like, you're just like your spirit. It's so like kind and like, you know, so wonderful to work with.
I'm actually blushing. Like,
Oh.
I'm so gassed up.
If you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions about your photography business. Whether you need help drafting a response to a difficult client situation, or you just want an extra set of eyes on your newly launched Squarespace website, Build and Bloom is my best free resource. Just search it up on Facebook groups. The Build and Bloom podcast is now available for you to listen and learn on all podcast platforms with practical, easy tips to apply to your business. You can follow along on Instagram at Jessica Whittaker for daily tips, tools, and resources, and make sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new videos for your photography business come out. I believe in you and I believe in your business, and I'll see you in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.